In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure caching on Cloudflare. Caching helps your site load faster, reduces server strain, and improves reliability for visitors around the world. I'll walk you through where to find the controls, what each option means, and a few practical tips so you can set it up with confidence. First, sign into your Cloudflare dashboard. From the home screen, open the domains area, then choose the domain you want to optimize. Everything you configure applies to this specific domain, so take a second to confirm you're in the right one before continuing. Open the caching section in the left sidebar. Start on the overview page to see quick actions and a snapshot of how your cache is performing. If it's available on your plan, you can enable cache reserve here. This feature stores a durable copy of your popular content in Cloudflare's long-term storage so it can be served quickly even when your origin is busy or far away. It's especially helpful for large, mostly static sites and media. If your content changes often, weigh the benefits against potential storage costs before turning it on. Next, switch to the Configuration tab. Under Purge Cache, you have two options. Custom Purge lets you target specific URLs or paths, which is perfect when you've updated a style sheet, a script, an image, or a single page. Purge. Everything clears the entire cache for the domain and forces fresh copies to be fetched from your origin. That can temporarily slow first requests and increase origin load, so use it sparingly and when possible during low traffic windows. Scroll to caching level. This setting controls how aggressively Cloudflare caches based on the URL and any query strings. The default level is generally the safest choice for dynamic sites because it avoids caching personalized responses. More aggressive levels can boost performance for static assets, but only use them if your application doesn't rely on unique parameters to deliver different content. Then adjust the browser cache TTL. This dictates how long a visitor's browser holds onto files before checking back for updates. Longer values are ideal for versioned static assets like images, CSS, and JavaScript. Shorter values are better for pages that change frequently. If your origin already sends cache control headers, choose the option to respect those so you keep a single source of truth. You may also see a CSAM scanning tool toggle. This adds automated scanning of uploaded media to help block abusive content. Enable it only if it fits your site's policies and legal requirements. When you're done, review your choices and confirm. Give the cache a little time to warm up, then spot check key pages to confirm the improvements.